Let's move to our second process, that is bringing targeted traffic. As a result of visibility, our traffic or the people who will be clicking on these ads or results will be moved to our website or blog or our fan pages or landing pages or any page where you want your user should move. But this process is just moving the targeted traffic, so they have moved to your website. So there is one question which always in the mind of a businessman or the person who is implementing it, are what what people we are getting or what visitor we are getting are potential customers, or they are just traffic, or they are potential customers. That is a very big question. In that particular question, there is one more question: what is potential customers? When I talk about potential customer, is a customer who is interested into a particular product or service or business. So potential customer is interested whether he or she buys the product or not. That is secondary thing. But if he is interested, then he is a potential customer. So now let's go to the question: why but are we getting the potential customers or just the traffic? Like in the previous example, if I have been searching buy jeans online and I click on any of the ads or any of the results, so why I will click on any result? I'm interested into the product. Yes, that's why I've made the search. Yes or no? That's why if that user is interested, that means they are potential customers. And always you will get potential customer to your website only. Second example, second form of visibility, like you can see Oppo camera phone ad over here. If you're not interested, you're not looking for a camera phone, you will click on it? No. So you will not move to site. But those people who are interested will surely click on it and will reach to your website. So 99.99% of the traffic is potential customer only, except 0.01 traffic by mistake they have clicked it, or it is click we are doing pop-up and any kind of other unethical way of digital marketing, then it can be just a traffic. Otherwise it is potential customers, almost 100% potential customer. Or there are two forms of bringing targeted traffic to your website. The first is inbound form of marketing or inbound marketing, when your target market try to reach you as a business. Okay, when your customer or your client try to reach you, that is inbound marketing. For example, you look at this example: user searching buy jeans online. Who is looking for the product? Is client. He is trying to reach you. Okay, that is inbound form of marketing. Second is outbound form of marketing or outbound marketing, when you try to reach your potential customers. For example, like this Oppo camera phone ad. Here, who is trying to reach you? I am just trying to open Times of India only, but it starts showing me ads of Oppo camera phone. Then what will happen? Those who are not interested, they will close it. Those who are interested, they will move it. So in this process, I am forcefully showing the ad to my user or my potential customer. So I am trying to reach them. So that is outbound form of marketing.